Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Dan McCoy from Hill Country Chocolate, and thank you for stopping by and checking out our content. I've been making chocolate for 27 years, haven't been professionally trained. I started like many of you. I started just by learning things. Now, to be honest, I started way before YouTube and TikTok and Instagram. And today there's so much content available, and that's what we're going to try to share with you. A little bit of the behind the scenes look about how we built a chocolate factory here in the heart of the Texas Hill Country. Our niche is really taking common flavors and then combining that with amazing ingredients and the best technique that we can come up with to create amazing chocolates and confections and some special things like gummies and things like that. But we want to take you behind the scenes and show you how we do it, how our processes work, both the good and the bad, and when it works and even when it doesn't, including things in our retail store and in our winery, our test kitchen, and with our staff. So thank you for coming along on this journey. Leave comments about content that you would like to learn about. And you know what we'll do? We'll try to respond by creating that content for you. And also remember to subscribe to our channel so that you will be notified when we have new updates and new videos for you. And again, thanks for coming along on this ride with us.